You've seen the title of this video and you're probably thinking, what the hell? How can a pair of glasses cost £1,500? Well, that's exactly what I've got in my hands, and in this video I'm going to take you through the unboxing experience that you should expect with a pair of glasses of this value, and also going to be explaining why they cost that amount, and finally I'm going to be asking the question, are they worth it? But before we open up this very luxurious packaging, let's talk a little bit about where these glasses came from. They're made by a company called Lucas Distale, who are based in Paris. They have a very small workshop, and I stress the term workshop because it's as far away from the industrial approach to glasses making as you could possibly get. Each pair of glasses goes through roughly 30 steps in that workshop, each step done completely by hand by a skilled worker. They're able in their workshop to produce roughly 3 pairs of glasses per day. That makes these super exclusive, as well as the fact that they're made from materials like leather, stone, wood. Believe it or not, those materials aren't used in the manufacturing of glasses, and Lucas Distale were the pioneers of that kind of manufacturing, and to my knowledge, the only company in the world making glasses like this. But this pair of glasses are luxurious even for Lucas Distale. Their frames range from roughly £700 upwards, and this pair is £1,500. And why is that? Well, the material they've used is extremely luxurious, extremely exclusive. These are actually made from stingray leather. So I bet you can't wait to see what they look like. Let's get started. So first of all, we have a cardboard cover, which nicely slides off. Very satisfying feeling as you do that. And inside, we've got a wooden box. It's got a matte finish, and you can tell holding this, it just feels solid and weighty, and you can tell that what you've got inside is a premium product. And inside the wooden box, we have this very, very glossy, very reflective glasses case. It's imprinted with the Lucas Distale logo, just as the wooden box has been, just as that cardboard sleeve was. And this is actually Lucas who founded the company. This is his family coat of arms. Okay. And now we get to the glasses themselves. And these are they. They're an aviator shape, as you can see, but they're semi-rimless. And I think that's a good thing, because I think this material is kind of too out there, a bit too quirky to wearing a pair of glasses with a full rim. But just having it across the top makes them wearable. This finish, you can actually see the individual scales on the stingray. And my first thought when I saw that, it might be your first thought as well, is I don't want to hurt a stingray. They're beautiful creatures. I wouldn't want to wear a pair of glasses knowing that I'd done harm to an animal as majestic as that. But I'm told the leather is only taken after the animals died, so there's no animal cruelty involved in these at all. If there was, we wouldn't be involved with them, I can promise you that. So with that out of the way, let's have a look at the finish of these. And it is beautiful. You've got to say, they're so unique and extraordinary. And as long as you live, you'll never see a pair of glasses similar to this. That's the cool thing with materials like this as well, is that you'll never get two pieces which are the same. Because it's a natural occurring material, no two will ever look the same, and that's the same, and that's true as well if you go for the other materials that they make, like the stone ones, for example. The natural minerals that occur in the stone frames, you're never going to get one that looks the same as another. Each frame comes with its own toolkit, which we will keep for you, so that we can service them. It has every component that can be replaced and repaired if necessary, as well as their own proprietary screwdriver. And we even have a service kit. Now inside this service kit, you can see a colour chart which represents how the leather frames actually change in appearance over time. And that's one of the cool things about leather, is the fact that in a year's time, your glasses will look different than how they look now. But if you want to reset the frames back to where they were originally, you can do that with this clay material. We use this in combination with the supplied brush, apply it to the frames, and it will take your glasses back one step in terms of the coloration. And over here you can see we have this polish, which is used to finish the frames and make sure that they have a beautiful, soft feel. This smells amazing, by the way. When you order a pair of Lucas to Sale frames, if the colour that we have in stock is not perfect for you, you can choose from any of these colours and they will make your glasses bespoke to the colour of your choice. The colours range from a navy blue, to a bright red, to a khaki green, to various shades of natural leather. So let's try them on. Now the thing about Lucas to Sale frames is they are so different in how they feel to wear compared to any of the glasses that I've ever tried. I've tried so many different types of frames: plastic frames, metal frames, heavy frames, ultra lightweight frames, and I know that I always go on about how comfortable my Reykjavik Eyes glasses are, and they are unbelievably comfortable in the sense that they're so lightweight you can't feel them. These are comfortable but in a totally different way. So I can definitely feel that these are on my face. I'm very aware that they're on my face. And some people actually prefer that. Now, these frames are stingray leather on the outside, but inside they're regular cow leather. And that leather gives a really soft feel to the face. There's no pressure on the head anywhere on these frames. They feel really nice and cushioned, but they also seem to grip really well as well. They feel secure, they feel solid. Like I say, I know that they're there, but they're not uncomfortable in any way. And that extends as well to the nose pads on these frames, because Lucas to Sale have gone to every length and looked at every detail on these glasses, and so they should for the price, to be fair. But the nose pads themselves are titanium. Titanium is a very, very rare material to see used in the nose pads on a pair of glasses, but they've done it here, and that just adds to the kind of soft feel. The titanium is slightly cold on the nose, but it feels nice to wear. There is somebody out there who these glasses will be absolutely perfect for. And I guess that leads me on to the next point. So putting these glasses down for a second, and going back to my glasses, which cost a quarter as much as that, can you really justify spending £1,500 on a pair of glasses? Well, for the majority of us, the answer to that is going to be no. We don't have £1,500 to spend on a pair of glasses. I personally don't. You might not either. But there are some people out there who do. And if you wear glasses every day, they're a huge part of your look. They're a huge part of your personality. The way that other people see you is through the lens of your glasses, quite literally. They affect everything about your appearance, and no matter what outfit you've got on, you'll always have your glasses on. So they've got to look the part. And if you're going to wear something on your face every day for the next, 2 years at least, and you've got the money to spend, why not spend it on a really unique, beautiful pair of frames? It's not something that I think you need to spend. I think you can get a pair of glasses that looks equally as good for £200, £300, that kind of price range. But you couldn't get something as unique as these glasses for anything less than £1,500. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it as fascinating as I am fascinated by these glasses and how unique and exclusive they are. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please give us a like and subscribe if you can. It really helps our channel grow. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks guys. Bye bye.